Hi, this is Dave Chenault with Skylight Systems, and in this video I'm going to take you through our newest app, SideKick 365 MPM. SideKick 365 MPM is a new app that we've developed to help lending professionals manage a portfolio of loans. If you take a look at the home page here, you'll see there are tasks that I've been assigned and loans that I'm currently working on. If I want to take a look at a loan, I just click once on the borrower's name, and that'll take me quickly into the loan file. I can see documents that are associated with it, notes, and tasks. Let's take a look at some of the documents. I'll come into a funding review scan file. Just click on it once, and you'll see here I have a nice scan copy. Now all these scans are searchable if you save them as a searchable PDF. Let's look at an invoice just to get an idea. And you can see that you can have very high quality images stored with your loans. Just imagine how much simpler it's going to be rather than digging through filing cabinets to get all this information or digging through file shares. You can also have notes associated with a particular loan. And we just click on the Note tab to get to that. It'll come up and I can then open up my note or add them just by saying New Item. Same thing with tasks. I can have multiple tasks associated with a particular loan, and this is a great way to assign follow-ups, or if you want to have to-do items around it like a title search or an inspection for a particular property. And again, if I just click on the Overview tab, what I'll see is there's information about this loan, and by clicking on the plus button, I can see more information about the actual physical address and information about the property. So let's look at how we add information into the system. It's pretty easy. All you do if you'll make a new loan is select the drop down for the loan, and you'll have a new screen open up that gives you the information about the name of the borrower, the loan number, etc., and then details about the property. You simply fill that out, hit save, and then we can start to add documents, tasks, and notes about that loan into the system. We also have different document types, and these document types are associated with a document that you store about a loan. So inspection reports, titles, setup files, etc. that you might have in the system, you can then categorize documents, and when you go to the document list, it makes it very easy for you to just sort based on the type. I can say, let me see just the title documents. And what you'll see is there's just one here. If I want, I can clear it out. I can see them all again. And then let's look again at these. I could say, let me see all the ones that are setup files. And there they are. I can see different ones that are marked as setup. Same thing works. Let me close this down. With a loan number, I can pick different loans that are in the system. And then also by the name of the borrower. If I just close that and come on over here, you can see I can say, give me the loans for Stan setup. There they are. Those are the different documents associated with that one. And I could clear it out as well. So I think you're starting to see some of the power of the application, and that it's much more than just a filing cabinet. It lets you easily sort things, filter things, and we can search for things. So let's see if there's anything in here called invoice, and I'll hit return. When I do that, the system is searching through all the documents, all the words in the system itself, and you can see I've got some information that's been scanned in. And what's interesting here, if you look, is you can see that it's actually a word in that document. Or you can look at it here, it's a title of it with a word in there. You can see invoice number, etc. So if you scan in as searchable PDF, it's going to be able to search based on the content as well as titles and any information that you put in the system. It's very powerful. Finally, let's take a look at reports. If I look at some reports we've built in, I can see the total pipeline by month. And in this report, I can see I've got about 2 million in August. I've got 500,000 in September. I better start working harder for October, and I've got 500,000 in the November time frame. I can also look by state, and you can see I've got different loans in different months associated with different states. There's really no limit to it. So this is just a good sample of some of the reports you can do. If you need other ones, you can always reach out to us. Okay, this app installs in just a few minutes, can be installed in Office 365 in the cloud, or it can be installed on your servers on premise. So if you have more questions or you want to learn more about SideKick 365 MPM, just email us at info@skylightsystems.com. That's all one word, SKYLITESYSTEMS.com. Thanks for your time today. I hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to hearing your questions and serving you as a new customer of SideKick 365 MPM.